Okay, yeah, I pretty much missed it. Ignore that. I missed pretty much everything.
Hey guys.
Hey, wasabi.
It's your girl, Miss Panda.
What we're doing? What we doing?
You suggested I put bacon bits in your pancakes, so that's what I'm doing right now.
Bacon pancakes.
I'm not eating it because I don't really like bacon in my fucking pancakes, you know?
Yeah, we don't care.
Fuck you.
You already did. Yo, I think I done used up all my Zoom juice because every time I zoom, yeah, it does that weird thing. Watch. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all know when I zoom, and then I'm zooming, I'm zooming, and it's just now zooming. I'm zooming out, zooming out. Man, that's so delayed. Okay, I'm gonna zoom all the way out. Now it's just wow, that's like so fucking late, man. I done used the shit of my Zoom juice.
Oh yeah, you did.
I'm not even zooming it. I'm not, I swear.
Look, this one's gonna be a little bit more bigger than the other pancakes.
Oh, I mean, you did the other one's perfect. Yeah.
I know.
Ooh. Damn. My Zoom is dying. The Zoom.
Yeah, whose fault was that?
Can I get a rip in the chat for Zoom?
Oh, your
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.
Oh, basically, you can see the bacon bits up in there, and it's really not bad.
Look, flip my pancakes all good and shit.
Flip it.
I already did.
Aw, but I missed that. Anyway.
How's the pancakes?
What you killed? Put that there.
Panda Man 420 approves of this. I'll give you.
Say hi to the baby.
I'll give you some good later.
Say hi to my son.
What's up, mijo? You baby panda.